morning to all of you. So far we have started this exercise 13.3 in which we have used the identities a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square and a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. So let's resume our discussion. So identity that today also we will use will remain the same, a square plus 2ab plus b square, and if minus sign is there then a minus sign will come here, and a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. So let's see again we cannot use both the methods that we have studied, that is grouping of the terms and common term. So what method is left now? Identity method. So it is 121 is actually 11 square. So this is a square minus b square, that is 11 plus a minus 3b, and 11 minus a minus 3b. Okay, so let's solve that second bracket. So it becomes plus 3b. Okay. Now in this, if we see very carefully, I can take a as common. See, if any of the algebraic expression you have to factorize, if you are able to take any term as common of all the terms, then you should take that first step. So it is a cube, it is a, so I can take a as common, and what is left? 81 a square minus 1. Now again similarly it will be like this, 9a square minus 1 square. So this we can write a into 9a minus 1, 9a plus 1. Okay, then moving on to for the fourth question. See, it is the identity already written in that form that we have studied. So can we write it straight away? A plus b whole square. So here we can easily use that a square minus b square, that is a plus b plus c, and a plus b minus c. Now this is 25x square, so I can write like this, plus 1 square, and this is, we can write 6y whole square. Now if we have to factorize it, or if it is factorizable, then either of these two or three identities should follow. So see, it is a square, it is b square, and some middle term is there, negative. So let's check whether the middle term is matching with this a and b or not. So a square plus b square minus 2a into b, and if you solve it, what you will get? 10x. That means this middle term is matching with this. So I can now easily write it as 5x minus 1 whole square minus 6y square. Okay, so like I have told you in the previous video also, middle term should match, otherwise you cannot reduce this whole expression into the a plus b or a minus b whole square. So now this we can easily solve now. Many questions we have done. Okay. Then moving on to this. So this, if you see very carefully, these are the two groups. So don't get confused that we are studying the identity problem, so we will be getting the identity problem only. So this we can solve by making the groups. I will take x square common, it becomes x minus 3. And what I need? X minus 3, so again I will take minus 1 common. So it is x minus 3 is x square minus 1. Now this can again be factorized, because we can write 1 as 1 square. So what will be our final answer? X minus 3, x minus 1, x plus 1. Okay, so it should be all the terms in the expression should be complete factorizable, should be completely factorized. Now see, this is a different question. So first step that we can do here, I can take a as common. Okay, both terms contain a. Now this 48 and 75 are not the perfect squares, and this x square and y square we can write as x whole square and y square. Now what about this 48 and 75? So if I see carefully, this 48 and 75, they both are the multiples of 3, or I can say that if I calculate the HCF of 48 and 75, it comes out to be 3. That means I will take 3 also common. So what I am left inside? 16x square and 25y square. So now this we can easily solve. Many questions we have solved so far of this type. So our answer is okay. So whenever you are solving a question and if you are finding any expression in which you are not able to use those expansions, then you should look for the common terms that we have to do in this type of question. Okay, then let's see the 10th question, a different type of question. A plus b plus c whole square minus a minus b minus c whole square. Okay, so do not open the bracket, because if I see carefully, this is whole term we can take as a, and this whole term we can take as b. So actually it is written a square minus b square. So I can straight away write a plus b plus c, this is my a, plus b, that is a minus b minus c. Here also I can write a plus b plus c minus a minus b minus c. So this is cancel out, this is 2a is left. Let's see what is left there. Minus a plus b plus c. So minus a will cancel out. 2a into 2b plus 2c, or I will take 2 as common, so it becomes b plus. Now let us see one more question of different type. So let's see question number 11, which is a square minus b square plus c square minus 1 plus 2b minus 2ac. Okay, so in the questions like so this, where we are not finding anything that we can take as common or we can make the groups, so we have to look for the identities. Now how to search for the identities? See, it is given as minus 2ac. So if it contains a square and c square, yes, it contains a square and c square. So I will write these three terms together. A square plus c square minus 2ac. Let's make a bracket over here. Now remaining terms, see it is minus b square plus c square plus 2 minus b square minus 1 plus 2b. So what I am going to do, I will take minus as common, so I am left with b square plus 1 minus 2b. Okay, or if I take middle terms here in the middle, so this is finally, after shuffling the terms, this expression is there with me. So this is easily, you can say it is a square plus c square minus 2ac, so I can write it as a plus c whole square minus, see this is b square, this is 1, we can write as 1 square, so what will be its middle term? Middle term will be 2 into b into 1, that is 2b, so we can write it as b minus 1 whole square. So what I am left with now? A square, that is a plus c, plus b square, and a square minus b square. So what is our final answer? A plus b plus c minus 1, and here we can write a minus b plus c plus 1. Now let's see question number 12, 13, 25a plus b whole square minus 49a minus b whole square. Okay, so in this question, see this is 25, this I can write as 5 square. Okay, this is 49, 7 square. Now if you see very carefully, this is a sort of exponent, this is a sort of expressions that we have studied. So what I can do, I can write it as 5 into a plus b whole square minus 7 into a minus b whole square. Okay, so it is 5 into a plus b plus 7 into a minus b, one expression, then 5 into a plus b minus 7 into a minus b. Okay, so let's solve it. 5a, 5b, 7a minus 7b, 5a, 5b minus 7a plus 7b. So 5 plus 7 is 12a, 5 minus 7 is minus 2b, then minus 2a, then 12b. So from here I will take 2 as common, from here also 2 as common, so what is left? It is 6a minus b, and it is minus a plus 6b. So finally this will be our answer, 6a minus b into 6b minus. Okay, now questions likes of this. So in this question, see, it is a to the power 8 and b to the power 8, and this is 81. So what I can do, I can write a to the power 8 as a to the power 4 whole square minus this 81 I am writing as 3 to the power 4, and this is b to the okay, so let's combine it. So it is a to the power 4 whole square minus 3 square b to the power 4 whole square. So we can write it as a to the power 4, 3 square is 9, that is 9b to the power 4, and a to the power 4 plus 9b to the power, not really. Okay, so this we have done. Now this you cannot factorize, but see, this can again be factorized. This can be written as a square whole square, and this is can be written as 3b square whole square. So finally, what is our answer? A square minus 3b square, a square plus 3b square, and a to the power 4 plus 9b to the power. Okay, so in this manner you can solve this question. Then a certain question like this, suppose it is 4a square 9b square minus 2a minus 3b. Okay, now in this question, how we can solve? We can factorize it like this: 2a square minus 3b square minus, I will take common, so it becomes 2a plus 3b. So this we can write it as 2a minus 3b and 2a plus 3b minus 2a plus 3b. So overall, if I see this expression, this term is common in both the terms. So this will come out, it will be 2a plus 3b and 2a minus 3b minus 1. Okay, so that's the end of this exercise 13.3. Now we will see the factorization using the identity. So far we have studied two identities. Let's see one more identity: x plus a into x plus b. Suppose we have to multiply these two expressions. Now the method is, we will write x square plus, these two will be added, a plus b into x plus b. Okay, and we will take this a and b along with the sign. So what is the meaning of along with the sign? Let's see. Okay, we will see the expression using the few questions. So suppose a question is there: x minus 3, x plus 5. So previously how you are multiplying? You are either multiplying it You are either multiplying it using the column method or row method. Now what we have to observe, see, these coefficient of x should be same. If it is written as 2x plus 5 into x minus 3, then you cannot use this expansion because here this is 2x and x. So coefficient of x should be same, which we can easily see it is same here. So how we will use? We will use it like this, x square, we will put a plus sign. Then what is minus? What is a here? A here is minus 3. So I will write minus 3 plus 5 into x plus minus 3 into 5. So x square plus 2x minus 15. Okay, so this is how we can solve these type of problems using this expansion. Okay, suppose it is x plus 10 and x minus 3. So x square plus 10 minus 3 plus 10 into minus 3. So what we will get? X square plus 7x minus 30. And suppose if two negative signs are there, suppose I have to solve this. So again we can solve it. Plus sign I will put here, and here it becomes minus 6 minus 5. Okay, minus 6 is 8, b is minus 6, so plus minus minus. Again plus sign, minus 6 into minus 5. So what I will get? X square minus 11x plus 30. So we can use this algebraic expression to calculate the values of these type of polynomials where the coefficient of x or y whatever is same by using this expansion. Okay, so that's it for today. In the next video we will discuss how we can factorize a quadratic polynomial by the splitting of middle term method. Thank you.